parents, and my dear students. Good afternoon to one and all. It is with immense pride, joy, and heartfelt enthusiasm that I stand before you today to extend a warm and gracious welcome to each one of you on this vibrant and momentous occasion of our Senior Sports Fiesta 2026. Today is not just another day on our school calendar. It is a celebration of energy, determination, unity, and the indomitable spirit of sportsmanship. We are truly honored by the presence of our distinguished guests whose gracious presence adds prestige and inspiration to this grand event. We extend our deepest gratitude for taking time out of your valuable schedules to be with us today. This year's theme, One Earth, One World, beautifully reflects the essence of unity in diversity. It reminds us that despite our varied backgrounds, cultures, and identities, we are all part of one global family. Sports, in its purest form, transcends boundaries. It brings people together, fosters mutual respect, and builds bridges of understanding across nations and communities. We would like to take this opportunity to express our sincerest appreciation to our dedicated teachers, coaches, and organizing committee whose tireless efforts and meticulous planning have made this event possible. Their commitment and hard work behind the scenes ensure that today unfolds seamlessly and successfully. To our dear participants, today is your day to shine. Compete with enthusiasm, give your best, and most importantly, uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship. Remember, victory is not just about winning medals, but about giving your best effort and learning from every experience. Once again, we extend a heartfelt welcome to all our esteemed guests, parents, and well-wishers. Your presence encourages and motivates our students to strive for excellence. With great excitement and anticipation, we now officially welcome you all to the Senior Sports Fiesta. May this event be filled with energy, joy, and unforgettable moments. Thank you, and let the celebrations begin. Respected gathering, it gives me immense pride to introduce our esteemed chief guest, an achiever, a true inspiration, and a proof that determination has no limits. Mr. Prithvi Shekhar, born with congenital hearing impairment, but he chose to turn every challenge into strength. Today, he stands before us as a professional tennis player with remarkable achievements at both national and international levels. Currently, he is employed with Indian Railways Integral Coach Factory, Chennai under the sports quota. Prithvi has brought glory to our country and to the railways time and again. Let's look at some of his milestone achievements. He represented India at the World Deaf Tennis Championships, Turkey 2019 and won gold in singles and bronze in doubles, putting India on top in World Deaf Tennis. He is a three-time Deaf Olympian. He won bronze in mixed doubles at Deaf Olympics 2017 and at Deaf Olympics 2022 in Brazil. He won bronze in singles, silver in men's doubles, and bronze in mixed doubles, a historic performance for India. He is a two-time Australian Open Deaf Tennis champion, winning men's singles in 2024 and 2025 at Melbourne. And in 2026, he was singles and doubles runner-up at the Australian Open Deaf Slam. He has also won gold for Indian Railways 8 times in the Inter-Railway Team event and was a key member of the Indian Railways team that won gold at the World Railways Tournament in Bulgaria in 2019 and 2023. His world rankings speak for themselves. He is a world number 6 in singles and world number 8 in doubles. Academically too, he has excelled. An MBA from SRM University and a top performer throughout school and college, all on a full sports scholarship. But beyond medals, what makes Mr. Prithvi Shekhar special in his message? He believes that physical challenges are not deterrent to success. He wishes to be a role model for all specially skilled children and young talent across our country. For his excellence, he has been honored with the Best Sportsman of the Year by ICSE 2019, Outstanding Sportsman Award by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu 2022, C.P. Johnstone Award and Young Achiever Awards by the Rotary and SRM alumni. Dearest guardians, please join me in putting your hands together for a champion, a warrior, and an inspiration, Mr. Prithvi Shekhar.
Thank you, Harisulashri, for your warm and gracious welcome address.
A small token of appreciation often carries the deepest sense of gratitude. It is our tradition to honor those whose gracious presence makes this occasion even more memorable. I now request our dearest principal to honor our chief guest with a memento. I invite our chief academic coordinator to present a bouquet to our chief guest.
Ready, ma'am?
I request our admin officer to honor the chief guest with a shawl. Let's give a big round of applause as we express our sincere thanks and appreciation. Thank you, respected dignitaries, for gracing this occasion with your presence.